receive 3 walls, each 3 meters, and 1 wall 4.5 meters. You will also receive 1 roof and an aluminum tent. The set also includes a rubber hammer and 4 pins with ropes. Now we will show you how to assemble the tent. Put the roof onto the tent frame. Pull the structure up until it locks into the hole. Repeat it for all 8 locking mechanisms. Keep in mind that the system includes a height adjustment mechanism with 4 levels. Attach all straps to the frame. Rotate the roof lifting handle until you feel resistance. In windy conditions, unfold the 4 pins with ropes. Attach them to the roof and secure them into the ground using a hammer. If you cannot use ground pins, you can purchase additional weights. Attach the walls to the roof. Attach all straps to the frame and repeat this process for the remaining 2 walls. Your tent is ready. Thanks for watching.